Man, screw this. I have like 80 different tabs open and I'm trying to get work done. And it's basically impossible. Let's see how my friend Rehan deals with this issue. Hey Rehan.
Hey Aryan.
I have 80 different tabs open and I'm working on this tiny side project to get me going. I have to-do lists, I have my Git stuff, I have my chat GPTs. It's so hard to manage everything.
I have the right tool for you right here. I've been using this thing for a while now, and this is called Terminally Addicted, right? It's this super minimalist, CLI-based multitasking app, and it's everything you want in one spot. So a good example of how minimalist it is, it's reusing my text bar as my Spotify controls, and I can just tell it, hey, I'm done listening to this song. Give me the next one. There you go. As easy as that. And what I like about this is I can even check out my to-do list and see what I have on for the day right there. I can keep track of my Git issues, the things that I'm assigned to with the projects I'm working on. And you mentioned Chat GPT. It has this too. I can say, Chat, give me a small answer for hello. And boom.
Oh,
Chat GPT, right at my assistance.
that's sick.
And the cool part about this is I can also give it bigger questions and it would give me more detailed answers. And
This is
also
obviously minimalist, right?
Yeah.
How do you like mess around with it? Because this looks pretty cool.
check this out. We can watch YouTube with this. All right. So if I
YouTube in a terminal? That's kind of
that's what I'm
crazy.
saying. What do you want to see Alexa's LFA?
Sure.
Hit that.
Ooh.
It has to think for a bit, and then
It's in the terminal,
it's
right?
in the terminal.
That's sick.
That. And here's some of the cooler parts of it. Like if I genuinely have like a coding question that I'm like kind of confused about, let's say I selected a big chunk of code. I can say, hey, chat, I'm gonna ask you a really big question, and it puts me in Vim, and I can just shove it in here and say, hey, fix my code. Let chat think for a bit. There we go.
Oh, there
And we're back in Vim, and we have our answer right here. So this is in my opinion one of my favorite parts, is that everything in it is in the console. The videos, the text, it's Vim, it's beautiful.
And it's formatted in Markdown, so you're not gonna lose any syntax.
And everything that you're seeing right now is being stored. So if you want to go back to it, you can.